on me, it makes them so damn sad. I might run off with the mud.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Yes, it's me again, Victoria. Hi, nice to meet you. So, as you can see, I have a really colorful makeup look. I know it's like autumn, winter time. I don't care because I rock what I want to rock, like how my mood is. That's the color that I will rock. And today, as you can see, I have some peachy, orangey, pinkish colors. I think they match with my hairband a little bit. I like that. Yeah, we like that. Yeah, it's such a really simple look. Yeah, I know it looks like much, but it's such a really easy look. You know, I only used 3 colors on my eyelids and then the green one down here, and that's it. And then I did my full face as usual, and that's it, people. That's it. It's such an easy look, like and I love it. Like I always love my looks. I think I had only like 2 times I can remember where I put on some eyeshadow and I didn't like it, so I took it off, but only, like I told you, 2 times. Most of the time I love my eyeshadow, and I always don't really know what I will do. I just start and do something and then it comes out so cute. Like, girl, why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? Yes. So if you like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down there somewhere. And yeah, without further ado, let's start with this makeup look. Ooh, what's that? Peace. So here we go again with a freshly washed face. I already did my eyebrows. Yes, peace people. Yeah, I'm so cool. Sorry. First things, I'm using this Naked Skin concealer as my base for my eyeshadows, and I'm blending it out. I'm not gonna set it or anything. I'm just gonna let it sit there like this. Now I'm going into the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm using the first color, this orange color, Morocco, and I'm blending it above the crease, and I'm creating like a V shape in the outer V of my eyes. Now I'm taking a Kiko eyeshadow. You will find the name down in the description box, and I'm blending above the first color. I'm just blending it above it. Now I'm taking my Naked concealer again, and I'm creating a halo shape, so like this. This is the halo shape. Now I'm taking this ColourPop glitter color in the color Set to Stun, and this color is so beautiful. It's a pinkish, not goldish, silver, pinkish silver color, and it's really. So now I went back into the orange color to blend the glitter color together, so I have not such a hard line. And I also went back into the glitter one. I just mixed them up, so mix them until you achieve what you wanted to achieve, like me, like I did. So now I'm using my favorite liquid liner. Yes, this one is the best eyeliner. It's from Essence, and I'm using it now for 10 years or something, and I love it. Look how easy I can create a line. So now I'm using this mascara. When I have so much fallout, I always use a mascara, but not always I have so much fallout, so I don't really use the mascara on my lashes, my above lashes. Yes, so now I'm using this cheap ass lashes from eBay, like this. You already seen so many how to put on eyelashes, so I won't do that. I'm just showing you a little bit how I do it. So now I'm going into this Kajal from L.O.V, and I'm putting it into my waterline like this. This color or this pencil is so black. If you're looking for a really black jet black in your face black color, then get yourself this one. It's really nice. It's really nice. So next thing, I went back into the Naked concealer. Now I'm putting it under my waterline for the next color I'm using as a base, so it's gonna stick on and it's gonna pop because I don't even set this concealer now. So that's what I'm doing here with a small brush. Now I went into the Tribe palette and I'm using this neon green color for this step. And yeah, there you can see you need to be a little bit careful because sometimes some color can come into your eyes. It happened to me. That's why I don't always do the step like most of my makeup looks. I don't even do colors under my eyes. I don't do that most of the time, but here I did it because it was so nice. Now I went back and used my mascara for my bottom lashes, some little lashes that I have, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right here, guys. Now I'm using the Peachy Glow Serum to clean my face. Yes, I'm cleaning my face with this one, and I'm always using just a simple cotton pad, nothing special. And as I'm cleaning it, you see the glow. The glow is coming. The glow is just coming. And the dirt is off. Yeah, girl, throw it away. Throw it away. Like, now I'm using this gel. It's a moisturizing gel. It's not really something special, but I like it. I don't use it that often, but it's okay. I can recommend. It's really okay. That's what I'm using here. Now I'm using this Ultra Face Base Primer from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Makeup. Makeup Revolution. Yes, this is a silicone based primer as usual, and I'm rubbing it into the T-zone because these are the parts where I get so oily. That's why I have to do that. And into my forehead because yeah, I need to do that step. Now I'm using the L.O.V Pro Coverage Foundation. You will find the color down there. I'm not using so much, or I do use very much, too much, very much. Oh my god, sorry guys, my English is so bad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Now I'm using my blending brush or my foundation brush to blend out the foundation, Yes, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm using the Naked Skin concealer to highlight my face, all the parts that have to be highlighted. I'm highlighting right now, and I'm blending in the highlight with a blending brush. This one is really a blending brush for concealer, and this one is from we.cosmetic. I don't know if you know we.cosmetic, but I like their brushes, so that's why I'm using this brush, and you can see it's blending like really nice. So now I'm using this True Match foundation. Yes, it's a foundation but it's too dark. That's why I use it as my contour. And as you can see, I just used this brush. It's just a normal simple brush. I think I got this brush from eBay. Just a cheap brush, nothing special. You can use any brush you have. Now I didn't show you the step where I put on the setting powder, but it's okay. Now I'm using here the MAC blush to contour my face, or to set the contour. I always use this blush because I like the color. I like the color so much, so I'm setting the contour. And now I'm using the powder, the setting powder, and I think I used some from Primark. I think the setting powder from Primark, because it's so light. I think it was that one. So now I'm dusting away the powder, the excess powder. I always do this step, and I always use my foundation brush because my foundation brush is got still some foundation on it, so I can blend everything together so smoothly and so good. So my favorite blush palette is also from Juvia's Place, and I'm using the orangey color. like this. I like this color. I like the color above the orange also. I'm always mixing them, but this time I didn't mix them, so yes. Now my favorite highlighter from Artist Couture, L.A. Bronze. This one is a feature with Jackie Aina, and yes, I'm using it to highlight my face as usual. And I love highlighting. I love this step so much. I love highlighters, and especially those from Artist Couture. It's my favorite brand. So now my favorite lip liner from NYX in the color Club Hopper. Yes, I always remember this color because it's my favorite color. It's my favorite color. I love this color. So as you can see, I'm outlining my lips as usual, the usual steps. Now I'm taking this lip gloss. It's an old lip gloss. It's from Catrice, and it's a lip voluminizer lip gloss, and I like it because I like the feeling, the burn. When my lips burn, I like that feeling. So yes, we are like already finished. That's why I'm so happy. Like you see how happy I am. So now I'm using the Manhattan Install Prime and Setting Spray to set my face, and that's all, people. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to share this video, and to leave a comment and a thumbs up. Bye.